up, YouTube? TCS Baseball 1 here. I got a box break recap of 2007 Upper Deck Exquisite. I busted this a while back. Just now getting around to doing the video. I was very pleased with the box. It was the first time I've ever busted Exquisite. And like I said before, I'm pretty easily satisfied. I don't open boxes to pull one-of-one huge mojo hits. That would be nice. But I wanted this, I knew it would be some nice autographs to add to my collection, and some pretty cool stuff. It was filled with a bunch of guys that have a lot of promise, and one guy who definitely reached that promise this year. Real good players. So anyways, here's my base card. Brian Bannister out of 75. Next, have this Kevin Cameron autograph rookie to 235. I don't even think he's in the bigs anymore. Real good picture right here. Kevin Slowey, Exquisite Endorsements autograph, number 27 of 50. I got two Kevin Sloweys actually. This one, Kevin Slowey and Joe Smith duel, number 29 out of 35. This pretty nice Andrew Miller autographed quad jersey relic card, number to 199. And then the hit of the box for me, I was really excited about this. Mark Reynolds Rookie Heroes autograph, numbered 1 of 25. So there's your eBay 101. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and peace.